Yo, what's going on? Welcome to Build Something TV. We got an issue today again. Headlights. Only one works. So we got to go inside and check fuses first. We're looking for a 22 and 20. It's 19, 20, 21, 22. So it's these two here. Check this one. Fuse is legit. It's the other one. Fuse is definitely legit. So we gotta take the headlight out, so that's a given. Now we just go and start doing that. You got these pins here. You gotta pull them up and then push them out. You gotta use an 8mm. Take these out and let's take it out. So I took out that screw, and there's one there. Definitely gotta unclip this. Clip that, and then there's a tab right here. This got to come down and you pull it out. Okay, you have two options when you want to do this. You can actually twist this off and take it out like so, and that's on both sides. You can do this, or you can take the screws out and do it the other way. So you have two options. So when we look at the bulb, but we're going to change it and see anyway. I plugged it back up and jiggled this thing also to see if it was the filament or the wire or whatever, but it didn't work. Now let's roll the auto zone. Auto motherfucking zone. You know how much this shit costs? Check this shit out. Woo, 36.24. Yep, you're gonna need an H7 12.8 volt 55 watt double. Well, you know, I mean, if it's brighter than the other one, then I have to change the other one. But we'll see if this will work. And hopefully it worked, because the filament in that doesn't look bad. I have to really look at it. Yeah, it's bad. See that little gap in that little springy thing? I think that is it. So I think this is bad. So I feel happy about that. We slide this thing in. You take it out the way you put it in, the way you take it out. We just did a quick plug it in right there. We didn't slide it in because I didn't put the back in yet. So we check it out. Oh yeah, it works. So let's put the back in and put everything back together and finish it up. All right, that is pretty much done. Put this cover over that, and another cover over that. And we get the plugs and plug them in. This here, just that, and just press down. That's really, I think, probably one of the best things they ever goddamn invented. Press down. It's 3 of them. And then this one here, same thing going. Press down. That's good. And then I had this one here, regular joint, and that's really it. So thank you for watching Build Something TV on this little episode of this headlight situation. Let's double check and make sure this works. Yeah, it does. Thank goodness, because it's raining out here and I do need to have these headlights. I don't want to get that ticket. I don't know, what is it? I think it's 50 bucks. It varies from town to town. They can give you whatever they want. They can give you 100 if they want to. You know how it is in New Jersey. You know, they can do what they want, man. Pretty much. So, thank you for watching this. But before I go, I'm gonna take you inside the garage yet again to show you the process of what's going on. Ooh, I got the cars out. Both of them are out, and this pink thing is out there. So you know something has to be inside this garage. So nephew and son took out an engine out of this truck here, Nissan hard body, and that's the engine that they're going to put inside of that truck. That engine out here, because it was knocking and it was leaking, it was bad. Plus the transmission is bad, automatic. So this one here comes with a 5-speed, so they're putting that in there. So once this comes out, then I can start the drift build. But I also have a dilemma. I have to bring the Maverick down here. So by me bringing the Maverick down there, I have to start getting that car to run, because I can't have it down here with the car not running, because I have a million of other cars that don't actually run. This doesn't run, not mine. This doesn't run, not mine. This doesn't run, not mine. And this is mine, and it doesn't run. And you know, they also hit my Jeep. It was a hit and run. Check it out. Dent, not the rust, but dent, 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 dent. See, this is what they do in New Jersey. So what we're gonna end up doing with the Maverick is fuel pump, you know, fuel tank and fuel lines, and that's just to get the car running. I maybe rebuild the carburetor kit. It's like everything costs around $250. You know what I mean? The rebuild kit for the car, because it's a single barrel, is like $30. That'd be cool to open up a carb. And the fuel pump is like $20. And oh yeah, I gotta get the sending unit and all that other nonsense. So we'll see if the tank is good. Maybe I'll get it coated inside or something like that. So I have to get that car. When that car comes here, I have to get it running. So I'm not gonna do the swap as yet. I just wanna get the car running. I think the best thing to do is to do that. I was speaking to my man, Ozzy, there on YouTube there. You know, we was going back and forth. He gave me some great ideas on the 302. Hopefully he can help me and guide me, along with you guys, help guide me on which route to go. But Ozzy, the first thing I have to do, man, I have to just get the Maverick running. So you're gonna see that. I'm just gonna get it running so I can have it moving up and down, and what we'll do is we'll start with the suspension and trying to figure out how to stiffen the car up. And by that time I'll find all the parts I need to do the 302 swap. The trans is really the issue. Right now I can't find the trans at all. So that's what we're gonna start with and everything. So, all right, thank you for watching this episode of Build Something TV. It was about the headlight, but I also bring you up to speed on what is going on, all right? Check you guys out. See ya.
Crazy women, they're all nuts. Don't slam the door! Come on, you go up. Come on. Hey, fella, that's my car. That's my car.